Omaha Poker is a fun variation of Texas Hold'em that offers a unique twist. And here's how Omaha Poker is different. Instead of Hold'em's 2 face-down private cards, aka hole cards, with Omaha, each player is dealt 4 face-down private cards, aka hole cards. And 5 community cards are dealt face-up on the board. During the showdown, players must use exactly 2 of their hole cards, in conjunction with exactly 3 of the face-up community cards, to form the best possible poker hand. Everything else is just like Texas Hold'em, including the ante and the 4 betting rounds, the pre-flop, the flop, the turn, and the river. Again, to win, players must create the strongest poker hand using 2 and only 2 of their hole cards and any 3 of the face-up community cards. This twist of having more options which are hidden from opponents makes Omaha's strategy both deeper and more exciting to play. And now you know all about the Omaha twist of Hold'em Poker. For more games and fun videos, make sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you next time on Playing Games.